Do you have dry, cracked lips? Try this palm oil lip scrub. It will give you an instant smooth and softer lip. So if you are looking for an exfoliating lip scrub that will gently exfoliate and soften your dry lips, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use a local African palm oil to make an amazing lip scrub that will gently exfoliate and soften your dry lips. So here is my palm oil. I'll be making use of 1 teaspoon of palm oil, just a teaspoon of palm oil. Palm oil is rich in vitamins which will help to heal cracked lips. So we are going to be making use of sugar. Sugar is a natural exfoliator that will help to remove dead skin cells. Using sugar will help to scrub out dead skin cells from our lips. So a teaspoon of sugar. Then to lock in moisture and soothe the lip, we are going to be making use of honey. Half teaspoon of honey. Half teaspoon of honey. Then I'm going to mix to combine. You can see that the exfoliating lip scrub is ready. It's ready. So how to apply? Apply a small amount on your lips. Gently scrub in a circular motion for at least 30 seconds. Then rinse out with warm water and wipe dry. Then you can now apply your lip balm or even palm oil. This scrub can be used at least 2 times a week, but be gentle, don't over scrub. Then store this in a container for at least 1 week. If you have dry or cracked lips, try this palm oil lip scrub. It will give you an instant smoother and softer lips.